most dangerous drink for your liver, and you might be drinking it every day. There's one drink millions of people consume daily without realizing how harmful it truly is. It's not alcohol, though that's dangerous too. This drink aggressively spikes your blood sugar in a matter of minutes, pushing it to dangerous levels. Over time, these rapid sugar surges can damage your liver cells and contribute to insulin resistance and fatty liver disease. But that's not all. This drink acidifies your body, creating an ideal environment for chronic inflammation to thrive. To counteract this acidity, your body pulls vital minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium from your bones and tissues, weakening them over time. Worse still, your body has to burn through large amounts of B vitamins, especially B1, B6, and B12, just to deal with the chemical chaos this drink causes. These nutrients are essential for energy, brain function, and detoxification. When they're depleted, your liver suffers the consequences. It also irritates the lining of your stomach and intestines, leading to inflammation, bloating, and even leaky gut over time. And with each sip, your liver is forced to work overtime, processing harmful ingredients it was never designed to handle. So what is this drink? Sugary carbonated beverages, those brightly colored sodas and fizzy drinks, are among the most toxic things you can put in your body. And yet, they're often marketed as refreshing and fun. If you care about your liver, your energy levels, and your long-term health, it's time to take a hard look at what's in your glass. Thank you so much for watching this video and caring about your health. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Your support means everything.